Do you think it is true? I am afraid not. What do you do for a living? I work as a bus conductor. Do you like your job? Yeah, I really like it. What time is it? It is 6:45. Is it a five-star hotel? No, it is not. Which dress do you prefer? I would like to buy this blue one. How long have you been waiting for me? For 15 minutes. What kind of sports do you like? I really like football and cricket. Where were you yesterday? I was at home all day. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the movie. Do you think she will come to this party? Yes, I think so. How long have you been here? For about 3 hours. May I use your phone? Sure, go ahead. When is your birthday? In December. Where did you stay? In a hotel. Nice day to go to the country, isn't it? Yes, it really is. When will you go on holiday? Next month. How was the movie? Not so bad. Does she speak English? Yes, she does. What is your family name? My family name is Brown. Is it British English? No, it's American. How many stars does this hotel have? 4 stars. How was your trip to Spain? It was great. How can I help you? No thanks, I'm just looking. What's the weather like today? It's hot and sunny. May I smoke here? No problem. Where are you from? I am from Africa. How old are you? I am 32. Do you like winter? Yeah, it's my favorite season. Shall we go to the show tonight? Yes, let's go. May I see your ticket, please? Yes, here it is. Do you have friends who live in another country? Yes, some of my friends live in London. How are you feeling? I am alright. Do you like detective stories? Yes, I love it. Doesn't anybody here speak Hindi? I doubt it. Should I tell him about it? Better not, I think. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. Would you like to find another job? I think not. What's your profession? I am a doctor. Which would you like, coffee or tea? Tea, please. What are you interested in? I am interested in sports and music. Who are you buying that present for? For my sister. Do you think English is easy? Yes. What's the time? It is 10:30. Can I help you? No, thanks. Do you mind if I use your phone? I'm sorry, but I am waiting for the call. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.